The original heat shields were put on with rivets, like this one here. And once you use them, you can't reuse them. I've been told there are rivets that you can still buy online. I didn't go down that path. I decided to tap the holes, drill and tap them. I'm using a number 10-24NC. I got some screws from Lowe's. Shortest I could get was a 1/2 inch under the head. Had to cut them down. This will work, but what I'll end up doing is putting the screws in, and I'll use some Loctite so that they don't come out. I did use oil for cutting fluid, so I'm in the process of cleaning up the holes using brake or carburetor and choke cleaner, and then I'll be adding in some mineral spirits just to degrease it and let it dry out. All right, I've got 3 of the 4 screws in place. I'm going to put one on the 4th one here. My approach is to just put the thread locker on, get a screwdriver, get it all lined up, and then put it in the hole. And that is it. So I've got the thread locker in there. I've got a washer to take up a little bit of the depth, just in case it wasn't deep enough. And so she's ready to go. No rattling, that'll be good.